You don't need a camera to shine. I'll show you how to create fabulous, ultra-realistic pictures of yourself using your real face with free tools, no watermarks or logos of any sort. Trust me, this method is 100% free. All it requires is a very detailed prompt and it will give you super realistic results, way better than the usual options like Gemini AI or Nano Banana. Images created come looking so natural, clean and personal, making them perfect for posting on social media. Just remember not to go overboard with it because your audience already know the kind of content you would normally share, so keep it as believable as possible. If you're ready to tell your desired stories using AI pictures, stay with me and let's get started with this step-by-step tutorial.
So the first thing you need is a clear and bright picture like this of yourself with all your features visible, your facial structure, your complexion, and possibly your height, so you can upload a full picture. Then you go to ChatGPT. Using this prompt, ask it that with this picture, give me a detailed description of me that I can use to describe myself. That includes complexion, facial structure, figure, height, etc. to the tiniest detail, to an image generative AI in order to create images that have my exact features. So you upload the picture to ChatGPT and ask it to describe you.
Before we go to the image creation tool, which is Whisk, first you need to have a vision of what picture you want to create. Every detail you desire to see, the location, the outfit, etc. Just envision it. Then go over to ChatGPT to give you a detailed prompt.
Now, before we get the very detailed prompt that will be taken to our generative AI, which I'll get to shortly, like I said earlier, you need to have a vision, what you want to see in the picture. For instance, what you want to wear, the kind of clothes, the hair, the earring, every detail you want to see. You need to have it in mind. Then just come to ChatGPT using the same chat room that was used to describe your features. Come to ChatGPT and give it a prompt. Just ask it, give it your idea, everything you have in mind to see in that picture. Like mine now, I said give me a very detailed prompt that I'll use on Whisk. So the image generative AI is Whisk. We'll get to that shortly. So give me a detailed prompt that I'll use on Whisk to create a picture of a very beautiful and classy Nigerian woman with features above in an ultra modern glossy white kitchen that is aesthetically pleasing. She just baked a Christmas themed cake and cookies in 2 trays that are seen on the kitchen island in front of her. She is wearing a brown play suit that has zip in front, that has zip in front with a chef cap. Look at that. I have given it what I want to see. Okay, we can add that with minimal jewelry. If I want a certain kind of hair, I'll state it, but now I want her to be wearing a chef cap. Let's see the prompts ChatGPT will come up with. Okay, ChatGPT has done the magic. Look at the prompt, very detailed. Look at the prompt. So you can either read through and ask it to adjust some things, or in order to save your time, you just copy the prompt and take it directly to Whisk. Just copy the prompt. Image creation. So by the way, you can do all of this on your mobile phone. Just come to your browser, any browser you use, and so when you search Google Labs, you will see Whisk. Click on Whisk. Look at that. You need to sign up with Google. So you click. So of course, I already have an account on Whisk. So I already signed on. So you click on Tool, Enter Tool. So this is where you'll be pasting your prompts. Look at that. Describe your idea. Already that's for prompt ideas. So here you can just for prompt ideas, but because you already have your prompts, just paste your prompts. Detailed prompts generated by ChatGPT. So next, to set the type of picture you want, landscape, portrait, or square. So if we are creating a landscape, or you want for portraits, but since for the purpose of this tutorial we are creating for social media posts, just click on portraits and go. So Whisk generates 2 images per time. Look at that, in seconds. That is why I love Whisk. It does not waste time at all. Look at that. That's generated. So you just pick the one you love. Isn't this so cool? Isn't it just beautiful? And click to view the image. Look at it. Like I said, if you are not cool with anything it has created, you can just adjust the prompt accordingly. Maybe you don't like this hair. Now, you know, I did not specify the hair, but based on the picture I uploaded to ChatGPT, it just gave it this hair. So you can just look for where it describes the type of hair. Look at her hair. Her hair is jet black, slick, straight, styled, and all of that. So you can just adjust the hair. For instance, now let's say, all right, let's change it from bob to so let us try now. Is this better? Okay, so this is something that is very common with Whisk, the error you just saw, but all you need to do is just to keep clicking and you see more options. Guys, this is highly addictive. If you are a visualizer like me, you just keep creating to get a better one. For instance, the ones that has been created, you check, and maybe the you do not like the skin tone, you can adjust the prompts. You don't like the hair, you don't like the jewelry, you can keep adjusting to get a perfect image that you want. Look, that's created more. So I noticed something funny with Whisk. When you say a Nigerian woman with curves, there is this type of shape it gives. I know it looks more like BBL kind of shape. I don't understand. So I'm just going to change this to an African woman. Let's see if the curves will be, and let's look for the curve. Let's look for the prompt where you describe she is slightly it has a slightly, let's use slightly. Is this better? Okay, I think this is better now. Look, the shape is different. Okay, so you look, are these realistic? The cookies, the cake, do they look good? Do they look realistic enough? If so, and that's it. You just select one out of this, which will be taking us to the next two we'll use. So I'm just going to download this one. I think I like this one. I like this one. It's the download. Let's open the file to see what we have created. Look at, so cool. Very, very cool. Now we'll be going to the next tool we'll use. So the next tool we are using is called REMAKER AI. Okay, you're here, just click on this. And search for the tool. Let it finish loading. Okay, search for the tool. Search for face swap. Photo face swap. And this is the page. You just here on the left, you would upload the picture you just created. And here on the right, you upload the target face you want to swap to, which is your own picture. So you have to use a picture where your face is visibly clear. So I changed it to this one that has a clearer, that is a selfie with clearer face. And that's it. Look at that. You have just created your own AI picture. Super realistic. Who would see this and say, oh, this is not looking real? That is why you have to use a detailed prompt that gives you everything in detail. Just upload on Whisk, you get an image, come on REMAKER, and you get your perfect image. So you can see that you can swap multiple faces, and when you log in, you will get up to 20 free credits. 20 free credits. You can see I'm not even logged on, and I can do up to 2 face swaps for free. But when you sign up and log in with your details, you can get free credits up to 20. And to swap one image, you use just 1 credit. You can do batch swap, and you can do multi faces.
And that's it. You just created a beautiful AI photo with your real face, telling your desired story, and no stress at all. If you love this content, which I know you do, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and let me know in the comments if you want more tutorials like this. Also, please don't forget to share and give this video a like. The pictures you just saw were all created with Whisk. You can see how natural they look and super realistic. Let me know in the comments if you want prompts for these images, I'll just share with you. So I'll look forward to your comment. If you love good photos, look forward to my next post, because I'll be making a video with all the pictures I created, the holiday pictures that I created. They are really exciting, so just look forward to it.